start with your introduction first. Okay.
म्हजें नांव त्रिशा बेणे आनी आमी हांगा जितली लोक आसा आमी आमकां स्वताक व्हीगन अशें म्हणटात. आतां आमी जेन्ना व्हीगन हो शब्द आयकतात पळय आमकां कितें दिसता की हे वेजिटेरियन लोक जे दूध पिनात, पण व्हीगनिजम हे इतलेंच न्ही. जनावरांचेर आमी जायतो अत्याचार करतात, तांचो वापर करतात आनी व्हीगनिजम म्हणल्यार हाका तोडप, हे सगळें बंद करप. आमकां मनशांक दिसतात आमी महान आनी जनावरां ही तुच्छ, ही आमच्या वापरा खातीर हांगा आसात. पण अशें खरें न्ही की जनावरांक तितलोच मान दिवपाक जाय जो आमी दुसऱ्या मनशांक दितात. जनावरांकूय फिलिंग्स असतात, जनावरांकूय दुखता, जनावरांकूय वायट दिसता. तांचीय घरान भुरगीं आसता, तांची घरान आसून तांची भुरगीं आसता, तांकांय दुखता जेन्ना आमी तांकां मारतात. तर आमी हे सगळे तकलेन आमी सगळे ह्या गजाली बद्दल चिंतपाक जाय. आनी व्हीगनिजम म्हणल्यार फक्त जेवण खाणाचें न्ही, ही जनावरांक ह्या अन्यायातल्यान सोडपाची चळवळ. तर आमी हांगा सगळीं हांगा ह्या गजाली खातीर एकठांय जाल्यात की सगळ्यांनी मांस, दूध, लेदर, म्होंव ह्यो सगळ्यो गोश्टी सोडच्यो आनी जनावरांक एकटे सोडचे. जे ती आपल्या भुरग्यां खातीर दवरतात, जे तांणी स्वता खातीर केलां ताका आमी हात लावचे न्ही. कित्याक आमी आज मेरेन जशी दुसऱ्या मनशां कडेन भेदभाव करतात हो थांबोवपाचो प्रयत्न केला. आज मेरेन अजून आमी ह्याच गजाली खातीर झगडटात की मनशांनी एकामेकां मदीं भेदभाव करचो न्ही, तसोच मनशां आनी जनावरां मदीं भेदभाव करचो न्ही, इतलेंच मागता.
तुम्ही हिंदी नाजाल्यार इंग्लिशान उलयताय?
आनी आसा लोक
हिंदी नाजाल्यार इंग्लिशान कोण तरी उलया. Bro, Hindi or English?
English.
English. You can start with your introduction first.
Yeah.
1 second. Yeah, you can start.
Hi, my name is Daniel Thomas. I am an animal rights activist, and today we are here to talk about animal liberation, animal rights, and veganism.
जाने की जल्दी नहीं है. हमारा जो नंबर है वो माइनस नहीं होगा, प्लस ही होगा. कुछ लोग और आ रहे हैं, इन बिटवीन हमें मार्च में ज्वाइन करेंगे. ओके
Okay.
Starting.
Hello, my name is Daniel Thomas. I'm an animal rights activist, and today we are here to talk about animal rights, animal liberation, and veganism. So our main message here is that animals are sentient living beings, and they deserve the same rights as we do. They do not deserve to be exploited and abused in the ways we do. A lot of people would say that they love animals, that they care about animals, and that probably is true. They probably do care about the animals they see on the street. They probably do feed street dogs and street cats. They probably do adopt street animals as well. But what about the animals on your plate? What about the animals that have to be mercilessly killed to end up on your plate or as a leather jacket, for example? Right? What about those animals? So we are here to talk about those forgotten victims and to raise awareness that they too deserve the same amount of rights and compassion that all these other animals do, and we as well do. Recently we celebrated Goa Liberation Day, right? What did we celebrate? We celebrated our freedom from Portuguese rule, our freedom from Portuguese oppression, which means we care about being against oppression, correct? We care about being anti-oppression. Yet, what we do to these animals every single day in slaughterhouses is oppression. So if you're truly against oppression, if you truly believe that oppression is wrong, you have to be vegan. That is the only logical extension of your position. So, and I want to make one thing very clear, veganism is not a diet. It isn't about the food you eat. It's a stance that stands against the exploitation of animals. So vegans stand against the exploitation that happens in all these food industries, be it meat, dairy, eggs, but we also stand against using clothing that is made out of animal products such as wool or leather or silk. We also don't go to circuses, we also don't visit zoos because they exploit animals. So it's a complete rejection of exploitation of animals and the commodification of animals, and that is our message. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Anyone else is there? Anyone other?
Sorry?
Any other guy is there to talk?
Just yeah.
Yeah, let's Varun, the media address is done.
No, one.
हमारे पास प्लकार्ड सफिशिएंट है, इनफ है। अगर आप चाहते हैं कि दोनों साइड आपका डिस्प्ले दिखे तो आप और भी प्लकार्ड होल्ड कर सकते हैं। इस तरह आप पकड़ सकते हैं ऐसे। ऐसे डबल प्लकार्ड भी आप चाहें तो पकड़ सकते हैं, प्लकार्ड से आप चाहें तो ले सकते हैं बॉक्स में से।
Also, one more thing, wherever there is bystanders or traffic, please keep your placards facing either this way or this way. Okay? Because when you keep your placard like this, nobody sees it. And then that's like, so make sure that this gets visibility. And one more thing, remember that we are here to represent a very solemn occasion and millions and trillions of victims. So while we all agree that laughter and joy is a very positive human emotion, but today we have to be serious. No smiling, no laughing, and no random talks even amongst yourselves because the camera captures everything. Okay, so let's put our full energy in the limited time that
We are asking this question
completely towards
to
animal
people
liberation,
that
no
as a
random
civilized
conversation,
society,
and please no smiling.
do we
Smiling
tolerate
afterwards when we
violence
interact
on
together as a
innocent?
community. During
Do
the
we
march,
tolerate
let's keep it
exploitation of
solemn
innocent?
and let's keep it in
Do we
remembrance of the
tolerate
millions of victims.
body mutilation?
Yeah?
Do we tolerate destruction of motherhood? Do we tolerate
What
murder?
do we want?
The answer to all of these questions
When do
is
we
no.
want it?
And
What
yet
do we want?
we are doing this
When do we
to all
want
these
it?
innocent animals, right? And this is something that people need to think about. We are destroying their life of these animals who, mind you, have done absolutely nothing wrong to us, and yet we are exploiting, mutilating, destroying, murder these animals. Why? Because we have conveniently switched off our compassion and empathy when it comes to these animals. We see them as products for our consumption. And that is why we are here to ask this question, that do we not have the agency to reflect on our choices and change? If we realize that something is wrong, if we realize that something is an injustice, then shouldn't we change? And even after realizing and thinking about the pain and suffering of these animals, we decide not to change, then that is sheer display of dominance and privilege. And then you tell me that how is it different from any other human to human exploitation? How is it different from what the Britishers did to Bharat during the time of colonialism? They exploited us, and we are doing the same. We are exploiting and enslaving these animals, and we are here to tell people that think from the victim's perspective. That's why it says animal liberation. We want liberation of these animals from human exploitation. That is our demand.
Thank you.
Have you got the slogan?
Yeah, I want the slogan.
You want the slogan?
You can chant the slogan. Slogan. That's a mathematics.
Hello. Am I audible? We are going to do the slogan once again. What do we want? Animal liberation. What do we want? Animal liberation. What do we want? Animal liberation. When do we want it? Now. When do we want it? Now. जानवर हमसे करे पुकार, बंद करो ये अत्याचार. जानवर हमसे करे पुकार, बंद करो ये अत्याचार. जानवर हमसे करे पुकार, बंद करो ये अत्याचार. Cows feel pain, just like us. Animals feel pain, just like us. Hens feel pain, just like us. Goats feel pain, just like us. नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी, पशु क्रूरता नहीं चलेगी. नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी, पशु क्रूरता नहीं चलेगी. What do we want? Animal liberation. When do we want it? Now.
आमका की जय जय,
प्राणाची
मुक्ती
आमका कितें जाय
प्राण्याची मुक्ती प्राण्याची मुक्ती
आमका हे केन्ना जाय
आता जाय आता जाय
आमका हे केन्ना जाय
आता जाय आता जाय
दूध सोड
दया सोड
दूध सोड
दया सोड
मांस सोड
दया सोड
मांस सोड
दया सोड
तात्या सोड
दया सोड
तात्या सोड
दया सोड
गायचे दूध ते तांच्या भुरग्यांक
आमचे नाही आमचे नाही
गायचे दूध ते तांच्या भुरग्यांक
आमचे नाही आमचे नाही
म्हशीचे दूध